In this video, I will show you how to use the new Afterpay with Cash App. Later in this video, I'll also share my favorite service for transferring money internationally with low fees. So the first step is to open your Cash App account and go to your Money section from the left-hand side. You may see your balance there, or if it's empty, you'll usually see a banking icon instead. Tap the leftmost icon to continue. From there, scroll down until you find the section called More for You. This is where different features are shown, and you may normally see options like Borrow, but here we are looking for Afterpay. Once you see it, tap on it and press Start. You will then see a screen that says, Pay over time with Afterpay. This feature may not be available to everyone, and there are some conditions attached. There are no credit checks involved, and the available limit can vary depending on your account activity. Next, tap on Switch to Afterpay to check eligibility. If no eligible transactions appear, it simply means you don't meet the current requirements yet. To qualify, you must have used your Cash App card, either the physical card or a digital version through your wallet. The transaction must be between $25 and $50, must be within the last 30 days, and must be fully processed, which can sometimes take a short delay to appear. Once an eligible transaction shows up, you can select it and convert it into Afterpay, which will split the payment into smaller installments instead of paying everything at once. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.